What up, chat? Welcome back to another trading recap. Market has been shit. Trump has made it shit. I still managed to win a trade today, though, so I'm still navigating my way through this terrible market and still winning because I'm just built different. And I know I am going to be an insane trader one day. So, we are going to get into it. Let's get into why I wanted to go short. Originally, I was actually looking for longs. I wanted previous session liquidity to get taken out, which we did that on this low high right here, but we didn't go to the full high on London session. And then same thing on ES, we swept out the low high, but not the actual previous high, and we did not sweep out Asian session. But this morning when I got on, price was looking rough because after Trump announced the tariffs, we shit the bed badly. I think during his announcement, price went from all the way up here to price went down 3% during his announcement of the tariffs. Oh my. All I can say is this is a good time to start investing long term for anything. As much as people say, oh, this is such a bad idea, these tariffs are going to do absolutely nothing, it's just going to ruin our economy. In the short term, yes, it's going to hurt a little bit. But you got to think about the long term. These tariffs are going to bring in so much money for our economy. Our markets are going to be booming. People tend not to think about long term. They're just worried about short term. Like, oh my God, like everything's going to be so expensive. Like, don't get me wrong. Some things may go up. But that's the point is Trump wants to bring down our debt. We have so much debt in America. And if we bring some of that down, and if we bring back American-made items, quality is going to go up. So it's going to be worth paying that price. I think one of the main reasons why people bitch about vehicle prices because I'm a car salesman is because the quality of the vehicle. If the quality went up, these prices would make sense. But the problem is the quality of these vehicles have gone down. Engines aren't as good, body frames aren't as good, but the prices went up makes no sense. But if you think about it, everything that's American made, the quality is very high. So which means when that quality returns, these prices are going to be worth paying because the quality is actually going to be good. Do you understand? Anyways, let's actually do my recap now. Enough yip yapping. Okay. So yeah, this morning when I got on, price was looking rough. I marked out this low from all the way over here, and then marked out previous session liquidity on ES and NQ, and then I just went to the 5-minute. Now during pre-market, we were obviously on a downtrend, and we came close to sweeping these Asian lows right here during pre-market, but we did not. And same thing on ES. Okay. But as soon as market opened, you could see we just went straight up, broke structure. But I was like, okay, longs are looking like the play as of right now. But we also had a lot of news. We had news at 7:45 Mountain Time and 8 o'clock Mountain Time. So I was like, yes, everything's aligning for longs right now because you could see we were retracing, into equilibrium, coming into this fair value gap. But I was like, I already know news is going to have a big impact on price, so I cannot trade before news. So I waited for news to do its thing. News came out, price was all over the place. And then as soon as news came out, right after, we broke structure to the downside. So I was like, oh, wait, actually, I think we want to finish off these lows right here. So I just saw this 5-minute breaker structure on NQ. But when we, let's see, 7, 10. Okay, yeah, they broke structure at the same time. For some reason, I thought they didn't break structure at the same time, but they did. But yeah, both indexes broke structure at the same time, so that was confirming my bias even more that shorts were the play. Now, if one structure didn't break structure, because I swear, wait, hold on, let me double check, wasn't it? Yeah, actually, okay, so yeah, I was like, I swear, one index did not break structure, and the other one did. So yeah, we broke structure on ES at 9:55, but on NQ we didn't break structure till 10. So I was a little bit hesitant on going short. I was like, for me to go short, I at least want to see both indexes break structure, but we only broke structure on one index, so we were still maintaining bullish order flow on NQ. So I was like, I need to see an SMT or something for my longs, because right now nothing's really lining up. But then right after this candle, then we broke structure to the downside. So both indexes were on the right path. So I was like, all right, sweet. Both indexes broke structure in the 5 minute. I'm going to scale down to the 1 minute. And when I did that, I just wanted a simple retrace into this fair value gap. I marked out equilibrium, and I saw that we were respecting this fair value gap multiple times. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to enter, and then I'm going to put my stop right above equilibrium. Now, I got a bad entry because, wasn't it? Yeah, because I wanted a bearish candle. So as soon as this candle closed, I entered. So my entry was down here. Originally, I wanted to enter like somewhere right here, but I mean, an entry is an entry at the end of the day. But then I had a negative RR today, but I still took a dub. I broke even. But the reason why I had a negative RR is because we came down here, but on ES, I've always noticed this is that. So yeah, when we came into the fair value gap on ES, we shot down and we swept the low, but we didn't on NQ. And there has been times where ES will take care of the lows or highs, but sometimes NQ will just edge it and then not even sweep it. So I was like, yeah, if ES already took out this low, then I'm just going to take partials, because sometimes NQ will not follow ES, and majority of the time ES will be the one that leads out of the two. So I just took partials and then moved my stop to break even, and then as you can see, boom, broke even. I wanted to retrace again, come down, manipulate, and then come into equilibrium like I wanted it to, but I just figured it wasn't going to do that because the way that price was moving right here, I was like, yeah, we're probably not going to come into equilibrium. Same thing here, but then out of nowhere, it just shot up, came into equilibrium, finished off this fair value gap fully, and then boom, we made the move down to the lows. So it sucks to see that, but I mean, I still took a dub, so I'm okay with this trade. But yeah, price action during market open has been very chaotic. I mean, thankfully, we haven't been shitting the bed these last couple days, because I know some people were taking advantage of that, of just shorting market open. I bet they're feeling pure pain right now, those people that still believe in, oh, market's going to shit the bed at market open. Psych, look it right here, buddy. Haha, we're not shorting no more on market open. You're no longer a profitable trader. Yeah, because I know a lot of people are taking advantage of that. They're like, oh, I'm a profitable trader. It's like, bro, you're just getting lucky. You know damn well you're just fucking spamming shorts when market opens, because it's been repeating itself for multiple weeks now. But I think we're finally over that. I think market's going to start, having different moves at market open. So glad to see that we're finally opening up bullish instead of bearish every fucking time. Anyways, that's a trading recap for today. Thanks for tuning in, chat. Talk to you later.